Boss lady, tell me something about the party.
Selfi TV, it was a good look. Over 100 table book.
When I say Likkle, you say Addi. Likkle! Yeah. What is up, you man? Listen! I'm feeling your show, Gaza. And I was running with you,
Man, I do much done. Send the money now, yeah, the cash off for hands on. Hustle like that, you get it from a grand.
One Selfi TV.
Oh, come here. Pick up yourself one more time. Pick up your status. Say something now. Morambo! Friday makes you fall. Friday makes you fall. It's like we're living out. Can you see number one?
It was a vibe. It was a vibe. It was a vibe. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
10 out of 10, you know?
Yeah.
So next year, make sure you come out to Hustlers Playground because I only get bigger and better. Yeah.
One more show! Yes, next time.
It's just a vibe.
Energetic.
It's just a vibe.
It's just a vibe.
It's just a vibe.
When I say mother, you say dad. Mother! When I say mother, you say dad. Mother! Ladies and gentlemen, we got it for the
It's just a vibe.
Energetic.
It's just a vibe.
It's just a vibe.
It's just a vibe. So next year, make sure you come out to Hustlers Playground because I only get bigger and better. Yeah.